Hello everyone. So HMP virus, nothing to be worried about. It's just a viral respiratory infection. It causes upper respiratory and lower respiratory infection. Symptoms like fever, cough, breathlessness, chest heaviness, nose block, running nose, itching in the throat. So especially those patients who are comorbid patients, especially diabetic, blood pressure, CKD patients, cardiac patients, and chronic lung disease patients like ILD, asthma, COPD patients, take proper precautions. And if you have any of the symptoms mentioned before, please consult your pulmonologist doctor. Thank you.